Alrighty, what's up everybody? I'm back. That was short. Had my lunch, got my burger, wolfed it down arguably. I guess I was hungry and it took me a couple minutes. You guys are in Lake Elsinore, you're looking for a spot to get a pretty yummy burger, tiny little diner. I would highly recommend SS Burger Basket. Yes sir. Alright, let's get the ground moving. Ooh, the seat is hot. Oh my goodness. Burning my rump. Cooking a rump roast right now. Everywhere for you to go. Yep, there we go. And we're off. A little clown bike. I'd like to chat more, but since I'm using my passive audio on my camera for the wind slayer, I'll have to clear it up through in post-production. Usually it does pretty well. But then it's wrong. And I can't go very fast. Amazon got anything for me? Alright, let's see here. What else can I cover today? What would be a good topic to... Let's cover again. We're going to go over again the being able to find your friction zone on your clutch. Clutchless takeoff. So, hopefully the camera's picking this up. No throttle. See? Throttle? No throttle. Just idling. Put my hand here so you're not cheating. And we're just going to gradually let it out on a bit of an incline here. And we're out. And we're moving. We're only going 3 miles an hour. That's about all the grom's going to get you without giving it any gas. So anyway, we're moving. Now we can go ahead and give it gas. We're off. All right, so now let's do something harder. And I'll tell you where this can come into play. So we're going to take off without any clutch. All right, so I'm going to put my hand here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to push the bike forward. Okay, push it forward, pop it into gear, throttle it. Okay, my hand's still here. So what I'm touching on here is riding without the clutch. I got it push started. That's pretty easy for a grom. So now we're gonna whip the throttle. I'm gonna weight the shifter and bump it up. So whip, second. There we go. Okay, my hand's still on the middle here. Okay, now we're gonna whip the throttle and go up into third. We're up into third. Check that out. No clutch. Still holding on to the middle here. This is a good exercise to know, okay? Now we're gonna downshift it. This one's a little trickier. So weight the shift down and flip down when pushed. Okay. Oh, I gotta use my clutch. Oh, shield, stop sign. Alright, so you saw the start. Keep moving, push, pop it in first. You got a short push. Okay. Going back in the middle here, I'm in second right now. Alright, we're gonna drop it down to first now. And then let's go up in neutral, just a little half bump. There we go, a little rev. Let's go back into first. Rev match to make sure we don't lurch. There we go. Up in first, big whip, up in the second. Okay, we got that. Perfect. So now we're gonna gingerly hug this corner. Pay no attention to the big red sign. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit more riding on this. This is a good lesson. Riding without the clutch. This can save you. We're in second still. Okay, we're in third. Alright, let's go ahead on. I'm still holding the middle here. As you can see, I haven't reached the clutch. Okay, we're in third. We're cruising. Okay, and fourth. Now we're in fourth. Cruising gears, look at that. You see my hand right here, we'll bump down. There's third, second. We're gonna whip the throttle and bump down. Ready, 1, 2, and 1 motion. First. Okay, up to second, and third. Second, there we go. Still not touching the clutch. So riding with no clutch and only throttle. That is the inverse side of a skill that I think new riders, as you're getting used to things when you got your balance down, these are some skills that can save you. And I'll tell you what, I actually ran into it last desert season. My cousin, you know who you are. We're out in the middle of the desert, did a long ride. We had her side by side. He was on his dirt bike, TTR 125L, and his clutch went out, completely burned up. Was completely inactive, no form of adjustment was playing it back. So I rode it all the way back without the clutch. I've been riding for a large number of years, so I was comfortable doing that, but a lot of other people couldn't understand how the heck I did it. Trick is getting it started, especially with a small bore single cylinder motor. These gears, they're all sequential, they're lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not an H pattern, so they're bumps ups and downs. So anyway, it was helpful. Let's say you're riding your Grom or a dirt bike or something like that. A lot of motorcycles can do the clutchless thing, but a bigger bore getting started a little bit harder. But so let's say specifically for the Grom, your clutch goes out or your clutch cable breaks. That is a bad day. Nobody wants that. It's also why you need to keep your clutch adjusted. So let's say it goes out and you need to get somewhere. Don't fret. Learn this. Give it a little push, kick it into first. As you can see, you can get started without giving it any throttle. And first will take you as slow as 3 miles an hour. It's a short gear. Give it a little push, drop it in first, give it some throttle. You might lurch a little bit, and there you go. And then you can go up and down the gears with a simple blip of the throttle.